We're going to explain how to fix 404 errors in Next.js applications when using Nginx for routing. A 404 error, meaning not found, usually appears when a user tries to access a page that doesn't exist on your server. In a Next.js app with Nginx, this can happen due to misconfigurations in either Next.js "s" routing or Nginx's server block. Let's break down how to troubleshoot and fix this. 1. Verify your Next.js routes. First, double-check your Next.js application's routing. Make sure the URLs users are trying to access actually have corresponding pages or API routes defined in your pages or API directories. A common mistake is a typo in the URL, or expecting Next.js to magically handle a route not explicitly defined. Next.js uses file system routing, so any missing page will result in a 404. 2. Check for dynamic routes. Next.js supports dynamic routes, for example, blog, slug. Ensure your dynamic route segments are correctly defined and handled in your pages directory. Incorrectly using dynamic segments or forgetting to handle edge cases can lead to 404s. 3. Examine your write_next.config.js. The write_next.config.js write file allows you to configure various aspects of your Next.js app, including rewriting and redirecting URLs. Check if you have any rewrite rules that might be incorrectly mapping URLs or causing unexpected behavior. Also, look at the base path setting. An incorrect base path could break routing completely. 4. Inspect your Nginx configuration. Nginx is responsible for serving your Next.js app. Incorrectly configured Nginx can also cause 404 errors. Specifically, look at your server block. Make sure your location block correctly points to your Next.js application's output directory, usually write "out". Common issues here involve incorrect paths, typos in the root directive, or missing or wrong try_files directives. 5. The try_files directive. This is crucial for Nginx and Next.js. The try_files directive attempts to locate files in a specific order. A properly configured try_files statement such as try_files $URI $URI //index.html write ;comma will first try the exact requested URI, then the URI with a trailing slash, and finally serve the write $index.html write file if both fail. This often handles client-side routing. Without this, Nginx might not serve the correct files from your Next.js build. 6. Clear your cache. Sometimes caching issues on either the browser's side or Nginx's side can cause persistent 404 errors even after fixing the code. Try clearing the browser's cache and, if necessary, clearing Nginx's cache. 7. Test thoroughly. After making changes to either Next.js or Nginx, always thoroughly test your application to ensure that the 404 errors are resolved and all pages are loading correctly. Remember, systematically checking each of these areas will significantly improve your chances of identifying and fixing the root cause of your 404